In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your reminders app on your iPhone. There are a lot of options and they're really helpful. So as you can see, I have the reminders widget even to show me all my ideas for the videos or something like this. So if we want to do something, so our reminders app looks like this. So we can have the incoming reminder, so we can create even a new list by clicking on the add list right up here in the right bottom corner. So what can we do? We can change the name, for example, to do, then choose the necessary color, then we can try the icon, so you can just turn it into your terms, for example, like this. Then so that's all. Now we'll begin just to click on done. So as you can see, a new list was successfully created. So now we can choose the new reminder, and then so what can we, for example, if you want to do homework, so here we can see we edit the title, and so we can see the notes. So we can to add some information, for example, to clean I don't know, to clean something or something like this. We can also add some details, for example, the date we want to app will remind us, for example, in these. We can also add the time. We can also try to repeat it, for example, every weekly, for example. We can also add some location, not now, when messaging, flag, priority. We can also add the image, so for example this one. So there are a lot of different options, and we successfully added into our incoming. So now it looks like this. We can also try to change it, try to move it to the another folder, for example, to do. So click on this point, then click on I information, and then just choose the list from incoming to do, then click on done. So now here it disappeared, but in the to do it just appeared. So we can also add the another reminder by clicking right up here. So we can write something here, just maybe go to gym, just like this. So when we did something, going to just to click on this circle. So now it's like done. So now we can find it into our completed task, so like this. I suggest you just to open and just to try to play with this app. It has a lot of functions and it's really helpful. So I also suggest you to add the widget. So how can we do this? We need to just to click and hold, then click on plus, and then find the reminder somewhere here, just a reminder. So add the necessary widget, for example this huge one. So just click on add widget. Now it looks like this. I will remove it. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.